Take the guesswork out before you get in with Delta Temp2O technology. The Temp2O digital temperature display shows the temperature of the water flowing from your shower head or hand shower. As the water temperature rises, the color of the display changes from blue to magenta to red for another easy visual indication of the water temperature. You'll know when the temperature is right for you and safe for everyone in your family. The LED display is H2O powered, so no batteries are needed. The WaterSense labeled hand shower and shower head save you 20% more water without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Enjoy 6 different spray settings with the simple push of a button or turn of a dial. Cleaning just got easier with Delta's Touch Clean spray holes. A simple touch of the finger easily removes any calcium or lime buildup. And the hand shower's 6-foot stretchable metal hose offers maximum flexibility. Available in 3 different finishes to match most decor, Temp2O technology is another way Delta is more than just a shower. See what Delta can do.